us see question 2 and I promise to solve in this video. So question 2 says we have two vectors. This vector, we have 3 Newton here and the angle between them is 120 degree and there is a 4 Newton force here. Now, by parallelograms law, we need to complete this parallelogram. Let's have a force that is parallel to 3 Newton. Here too will be 3 Newton. Then draw another one parallel to 4 Newton. This is 4 Newton also. Now we can produce an extension of 4 Newton so that this place too will be 120 Newton like this, 120 degree like this by corresponding angle. So if this is a straight line, then the remaining angle here will be 60 degree. Now from here we can draw our diagonal from the point of action such that this will be my diagonal R. Now we can get our resultant from this diagram. So by using this formula, R squared equal to F1 squared plus F2 squared plus 2F1 F2 cos theta. So you can also use cos 180 minus theta, which I'm going to have minus here in the formula as minus. We put minus here if you are using cos 180 minus theta. Now for this one, we substitute. I can take 3 Newton as F1 and 4 Newton as F2 depending on any one that I want. So R squared is equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 2 times 3 times 4 times cos theta. My theta in this case is 120 degree, not the 60 degree. The 60 is 180 minus theta. Now let's simplify this further. This R squared will give me as 9 plus 16 plus 24. So times 6 times 4, 24. Cos 120, that will give me negative cos negative. So cos 120 is the same thing as minus cos 60. So cos 60 is 0.5. That's minus 0.5. So minus 0.5. So we have to multiply 25 by 0.5. So that will give me 12. That will give me 12. 9 plus 16, that will give me 25. Now this times this, it will change this sign to minus. 24 times that's 12. Now 25 minus 12. 25 minus 12 will give me 13. So we have to take the square root of both sides. That means R will be equal to square root of 13. So the square root of 13 is what we need to find now. Square root of 13 is 3.6056. 3.6056. So to 2 decimal place, R will be approximately equal to 3.61 Newton. 3.61 Newton. Now, after this, we can complete. This resultant is not completely stated by only the magnitude. We need to get the direction. Now, I need to form the north pole here. The north pole. Let's say this is the north. Then this is the east. This is the west and this is the east, and south comes downward like this. So I need to know the angle that the resultant makes with the north. So what I will do is I can first calculate the angle here. Once I know the angle here, so I can actually know, the angle here will also be 60 degree. The angle here will also be 60 degree. So if I know the angle here, I can know the remaining angle here. So it's easy. Now, I don't even need this part. So I can use my sine rule to get this. As 3 all over sine of the angle here. So I can put alpha here, put beta here. So 3 all over sine of this angle, 3 Newton all over sine alpha equal to 4 Newton all over sine beta. That's 4 all over sine beta equal to, so the resultant all over sine of the angle it is facing, r all over sine 60. So the secret behind this is that place each force above the sine of the angle it is facing. That's 3 all over sine alpha. 3 all over sine alpha will be equal to 4 all over sine beta, or equal to r all over sine gamma. So I can use this and this together. 3 all over sine alpha equal to r all over sine 60. We already have our r here as 3.6. 3 all over sine alpha equal to r is 3.616056. I want to use this up to 4 decimal place. So all over sine 60. So let's cross multiply from here. 3.6056 sine alpha equal to 3 times sine 60. So 3 times sine 60. So sine alpha will now be equal to 3 times sine 60 all over 3.6056. Sine alpha will now be equal to, let's multiply and divide. So 3 times sine 60 divided by 3.6056, that's 0.7206. Let's take the arc sine of both sides. That means alpha will be equal to arc sine of 0.7206. 7206, let's take the arc sine of that. Arc sine of 0.7206. That gives me 46.1040. So that is the answer to 4 decimal place. So alpha will be approximately equal to 46.10 degree. Now, once I know alpha, I can know the angle here. Let the angle here be gamma. So that, and gamma and alpha, they are complementary angles. They are both complementary angles. So that means to get gamma, complementary angle is angles that add up to 90. Gamma will now be equal to 90 minus alpha, which is 46.10. 90 minus 46.10. 90 minus that will give me 43.8, 43.90, 43.90 degree. Now to completely state the resultant, I need to, so that means my resultant to be equal to 3.61 Newton. Then the direction will be stated as north, 43.90 degree east, because this is still north eastern direction. Thank you for viewing this. God bless you.